Hey you guys, it's Whitney again. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about me touching up my hair, and actually I'm going to be turning it periwinkle purple. Yes, you heard right. If this is something that you guys want to see, stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take my razor and I'm just gonna shave my hair. This is my 3mm razor. It gets it very low. Yeah, and then it has like the different sizes that you want to go to. I usually go to the highest one, which is 2mm at first, just to start it off. Make sure this is locked on good, and then go to the first speed and start shaving. See, my hair grows like very slow in this area and very straight, so it's still like wider than the rest of my hair. On both sides, it's annoying. So next, I'm gonna put on my coconut oil, and I just put this on just to protect my scalp from any burning or anything from the bleach, and also it protects my hair from any from too much damage. So I always use this first and just let it sit on my scalp for about 20 minutes before I apply anything on there. So while I let that sit, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my mixture for my bleach. So today we're gonna be using the Clairol Professionals BW2 Dedusted Extra Strength Lightner today. I'm gonna go ahead and take 3 scoops. And 3. Alright, so then I'm gonna take my 30 cream developer. This is the Clairol Professionals White Pure Cream Developer. I just got this from my local health store, a beautiful house store, however you want to say it. So I just eyeball this until it gets to the consistency that I want to get it to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in. Okay, now this is the perfect consistency here. Kind of like it, not too thick. And it has been 20 minutes now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying. Slide down like that. And I'm looking over here to my mirror. Okay, so I'm done applying now, and I'm just gonna leave it on for 30 minutes and see how the color is looking then, and if it's not at my desired color, I'll just leave it on for 15 more minutes. So see you in 30 minutes or 45 minutes or whatever. I think I want to leave it on a little while longer. It just looks a little yellow, which, you know, I'm not doing it as white or anything. I just want to make sure the color takes well, so I'm just going to leave it on for about 15 more minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 more minutes, and it looks like it's going to be as white as it has to be or needs to be at this point. It looks good. I don't know if you guys can see. So for me, that's a good color for coloring it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. I'm gonna wash it out using my Shimmer Light shampoo for blonde and silver hair by Clairol Professionals. And then I'm gonna condition with the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. And I will be right back. Okay, so this is the final color from the bleach, and I like it. It's still a little yellow, but we're not trying to get it white. We're just trying to get it light enough to take the hair dye, this. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a fresh pair of gloves. Applying it with my hands. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. And this is a new towel as well. Let's open it first. And that's how it looks. Hopefully it doesn't make my hair white. Hopefully it actually colors it purple. Yeah. So now let's go ahead and apply. My bad, I forgot my TV was on. Ooh, I think this is gonna be pretty. Alrighty, it's all fully applied, and I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for about 30 minutes and then rinse it out. Hey y'all, I'm back, and I've washed out the hair dye, and this is the result here. It's a little dark from what the bottle looks like. See, that's the bottle, and this is my hair, and it looks like plain just straight purple. It doesn't look like I don't know if you, when you buy these, they have like the little sample of hair at the like the right in front of it or whatever, and it shows you the color, and this is the color that it looked like. And now this is the color of my hair. It's still a little damp. I don't know, maybe it'll change in the morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry overnight like I usually do, and then style it in the morning, and we'll see how it looks then. So see you then. All right, you guys, so this is the next morning, and my hair actually got a little bit lighter, which I'm so happy about. And then once I style it, it's probably going to get even more light. I'm going to be using this Style Factor Edge Booster to style my whole head. It is edge control, but I use it for my whole head just to ensure that it lays down. It's already kind of laying down anyway. This brand actually has different scents. And this one is the Sugar Melon scent. I like this one, and I like the coconut one. I haven't tried them all, so. All right, now I'm just gonna lay it down. Kind of like in the motion where I'm gonna style it just a little bit at first, and I'm gonna use my small tail comb to comb it. I also use this stuff for my eyebrows. This is like a base for my eyebrows. Enter video here. Okay, so now it's all laid down. I'm just gonna take my my hard Red Kiss hand brush and just smooth it out. I'm gonna use this Got to Be Good styling spiking gel. I'm just gonna, you know, put a little layer on it just so everything stays in place. And I'm just gonna take a little bit and just about that amount, if y'all can see that, and just get in my hands and just lay it right on top. I usually especially get it in this area because this is the areas that want to kick up, and in the very back. So after this, I'm just going to go ahead and put on my do-rag. But before I put on my do-rags, just so it doesn't stick, I'm going to put some coconut oil on top of everything, just so my hair doesn't stick to the do-rag. Basically, just want to coat your hands, not too much. Just want to lightly glide over it. Girl, you looking good. We're gonna put on the handy dandy do-rag. And I usually put it on the flat. I put the flat end on my hair because I just don't trust this. I think it's gonna leave like a dent or something in my hair. And I usually put on my do-rag and let it sit like overnight, or if I do it during the day, I just let it sit for about 2 hours, just to let the product set and to let the product dry, and really set the hair or the style. And so I will see you guys in about 2 hours. Hey guys, it's 2 hours later, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off and see our results here. Yes, this is laying nice and flat. I actually like the color, even though it's not. I still have it this side right here. It's not this color, but it's pretty close. I thought it was gonna be darker than this, but it's actually, it looks good. I like it a lot. It looks good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you like this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.